Namaste. My name is Soumya Raval and I am born and brought up in the UNESCO World Heritage City of Ahmedabad. I have received the opportunity to read for the Masters in Human Rights Law program at Central European University in Vienna. Let me talk you through to my journey of making a difference. My pursuit to make a difference led me to study the Bachelors of Law and Social Work at the Gujarat National Law University. In my journey to strike a balance between theoretical appreciation of social justice and its proper implementation, I have led several social intervention-based initiatives at my time at law school. Primarily, they were undertaken under my university's Center for Law and Society. I have also led, as a deputy leader, the NGO Increasing Diversity by Increasing Access for providing sensitization workshop to marginalized young students for a career in law by providing them financial and academic assistance. Recently, I received an opportunity to study human rights law at the School of Business and Law at Edith Cowan University in Australia on a complete scholarship for an exchange program. It was at Edith Cowan University I received an opportunity to lead them as its competitions director. Subsequently, I received an opportunity to lead the whole Edith Cowan Student Law Society as its first Indian and international law president. By leading the whole law student community, I received an opportunity to represent them in front of the Governor, the Education Minister and the Shadow Attorney General of the state of Western Australia. Subsequently, I was also nominated to be part of the School of Business and Law at Edith Cowan University Executive Dean's Committee for improving overall student access and experience on campus. At CU, I would like to initiate a dialogue surrounding who we are as human beings beyond our perceived exteriors. It is a step towards inculcating self-reflective critical thinking wherein anyone and everyone will be welcome, where we would explore our own labels and the labels of those around us and how we hope to enter a space beyond the biases inflicted on us. I will engage such a dialogue by conducting brainstorming activities like the Privilege Walk and focus group discussion. As community engagement is a key component of CU's mission to foster open society, I would like to establish an access to justice cell. The primary objective of the cell would be to help Vienna's ambition to meet one of the core sustainable developmental goals, that is, reduce inequality within and among the country. With the support of alumni and student community, the cell would function as an umbrella initiative under which it would help the marginalized communities around CU in the long run. Aligning with the purpose of the Council of Europe to create a common democratic and legal area throughout the whole of European continent, the Access to Justice Cell will strive towards assuring respect for the fundamental values, that is, human rights, democracy, and the rule of law. Imparting human rights education will be its core activity, which will be commenced by teaching human rights in schools of Vienna. I believe every organization gains something from its neighborhood, and that is why there is always an onus on it to give back. Since CU has found its new home in a new country, it is imperative for CU to engage with its immediate neighbors, that is the local community of Vienna. By working on practical issues existing in Vienna, this can also benefit the student community and prepare them for the challenges posed by the real world. With my experience of leading intervention-based initiatives in India and Australia, I believe the alumni scholarship will empower me to help CU in channelizing the resources required to make a difference. Thank you and Dhanyavad.